Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever wondered if your liver is holding onto unwanted fat? In this video, we're diving deep into the 6 most harmful foods and the 7 most beneficial ones for your liver health. Plus, stay tuned as we unveil the 3 most effective habits to kick liver fat to the curb. Let's transform your liver health together. 1. Processed meats. First and foremost, it's crucial to steer clear of processed meats such as salami, sausage, hot dogs, paraham, and turkey breast. Despite their perception as healthy options, these foods often contain high levels of preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, linked to an increased risk of cancer. It's not just my opinion. Scientific studies support the need to minimize or eliminate processed meats for both liver health and overall well-being. 2. Foods high in saturated fats. Avoid foods rich in saturated fats, including pork lard and coconut oil. While coconut oil is often hailed as a health food, it contains substantial saturated fat, which can exacerbate inflammation and fat accumulation in the liver. Ice cream is another example of a food to restrict due to its saturated fat content. 3. Processed and ultra-processed foods. Stay away from processed and ultra-processed foods, such as instant noodles, frozen lasagnas, and sauces with high sodium levels. These foods can contribute to liver fat, and many condiments, including certain types of ketchup and mustard, may contain excessive preservatives. It's advisable to minimize the consumption of such items for better liver health. 4. Alcohol. It's imperative to eliminate or significantly reduce alcohol consumption. Alcoholic beverages can worsen hepatic steatosis, the accumulation of fat in the liver. Complete abstinence from alcohol is highly recommended, and consulting with a specialist is essential to understand its impact on metabolism and overall body functioning. 5. Simple sugars. Avoid simple sugars, extending beyond refined sugar to include simple carbohydrates found in white bread, pasta, and cakes. These foods elevate blood sugar levels and can worsen hepatic steatosis. Steer clear of fructose syrup or corn syrup, which has been scientifically proven to exacerbate fat accumulation in the liver. Now let's explore 3 crucial habits to combat liver fat effectively. 1. Regular physical exercise. Incorporate physical exercises into your routine, aiming for at least 150 minutes of activities like walking, water aerobics, or running each week. Exercise aids in building muscle mass and improving insulin resistance, pivotal for treating liver fat. 2. Weight control. Gradual and healthy weight loss, around 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week, is recommended. Avoid extreme and restrictive diets, as rapid weight loss can worsen liver fat, even leading to liver cell necrosis. 3. Medical follow-up. Regular medical follow-ups are essential to assess and manage not only liver fat, but also other metabolic conditions like cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and hypothyroidism. Now, let's delve into the 7 best foods and habits to promote liver health. 1. Coffee consumption. Studies suggest that coffee can be beneficial, with a recommended intake of 3 to 4 cups per day for filtered coffee. Pay attention to storage conditions to preserve its nutrients. 2. Low glycemic index fruits. Contrary to popular belief, fruits are not forbidden. Opt for low glycemic index fruits like guava, strawberry, and avocado, as they can aid in reversing liver fat. 3. Incorporate fish. Tuna, salmon, and cod, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, are excellent choices for improving liver health. Consider sustainability and mercury levels when choosing fish. 4. Fiber-rich foods. Chia and flax seeds are excellent sources of fiber that help reduce glycemic index and blood sugar spikes, advantageous for those with liver fat. 5. Anti-inflammatory foods. Include colorful fruits and vegetables, spices like turmeric and ginger, teas, especially green tea, and whole foods like oats and quinoa to combat inflammation associated with liver fat. 6. Extra virgin olive oil. Substitute unhealthy fats with extra virgin olive oil, known for its monounsaturated fats that improve liver function and reduce inflammation. 7. Nuts and seeds. Consume nuts and seeds like walnuts and almonds in moderation for essential nutrients, proteins, fibers, antioxidants, and heart health benefits. In conclusion, adopting these recommended habits and incorporating these beneficial foods into your diet can significantly contribute to the management and improvement of liver health. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights. See you in the next video.